Hey guys, in this episode I'll be showing you the ways to search for specific location or landmark in OS Map. In order to search for specific location or landmark in OS Map, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and log in into your OS Map account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, you need to look for the search bar at the top of the screen. It's usually located near the top of the app or the website interface. Now just type in the location or landmark you want to search for. You can enter the name of the town, city, street, landmark, or any of these. So I'm gonna go with this one, and when you locate that, and you can go ahead and press on the enter button. Now as you type in on the OS map, you'll suggest possible matches based on your input. You can go ahead and select the suggestion from the drop down list or continue typing if you don't see the location you're looking for. And you can go ahead and press enter or tap the search icon to initiate the search, and OS Map will display the search result on the map along with the markers or labeled indicators. Now you can go and tap on the search result to view more details about the location, such as the name, address, and all that. And that's basically how you can search for specific location or landmark in OS Map. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.